Okay, so this Nextbook screen was a real nightmare to get out. I had to heat it up with a heater gun. This is a Nextbook 11.6 Nextbook, and in order to get the screen out, it was so much adhesive. I had to run this heater in it like so, and then when I run the heater to get the glue to loosen up behind the board, and then I could pry it out with a credit card, or the best thing to use is a credit card. See, I got my credit card. I use that credit card to pry up the plastic up. But you can also use a blade, but it's safer to use a credit card or something thin object. So yeah, if you do that, that will help you. Okay, so far I got the screen off after heating it up, taking it out, and this is on the back of the Nextbook. It comes through a slot and then connects in the back. I'm gonna make a short video of that to show. Okay.